Wondering if your iPhone's battery has been replaced? Whether you are just curious or want to know if your replacement battery is genuine, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show how to check if your iPhone's battery is original or if it's been replaced. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check battery health in settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Battery. Next, tap on Battery Health and Charging. If the battery has been replaced, you'll see a message like Important Battery Message, and it will say that the battery's health cannot be verified. This is a clear sign that your iPhone's battery has been replaced. Solution 2. Use 3U Tools to check battery information. Download and install 3U Tools on your PC or Mac. After that, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Now, open 3U Tools and wait for it to recognize your device. Once it does, go to the Device tab and then click on Battery. Next, tap on the Verification Report. Look for the battery information section. If your iPhone battery is original, it will show the manufacturer's name like Apple and other details like the serial number and manufacturing date. And that's it. Now you know how to easily check if your iPhone's battery is original or not. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or if something's unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.